If you're still telling people, I have a great app idea, I just need a technical co-founder, stop talking. You are living in 2026 and your excuse just died. While you're out here networking and looking for a developer to give 50% of your company to, the real players are building full-stack, revenue-generating software in their Chrome tabs before lunch. The no-code era is over. We are now in the vibe coding era, where your only job is to describe the vision, while the AI handles the architecture. I'm giving you 4 tools that turn non-coders into founders in under 10 minutes. Pay close attention to the last one. It literally acts as an autonomous employee that builds the server for you. Use them, or keep dreaming while someone else builds your idea. One, Lovable, the designer to founder tool. It is the most forgiving tool on the list. If you can describe a website in a paragraph, Lovable can build it. It's designed specifically for people who want a professional, high-end look without touching a single line of CSS. The mechanism, bi-directional sync. Unlike other builders that trap you in their platform, Lovable uses a sync mechanism with GitHub. It generates real, clean React code. You can edit the site visually, clicking and dragging. But the AI is writing professional-grade code in the background that you actually own. How to use it? 1. The brain dump. Start by typing a detailed prompt like, build a luxury skincare subscription landing page with a glass morphism aesthetic. 2. Visual refinement. Once the UI appears, don't touch the code. Just click on an element and tell the AI, make this button glow neon green, or move the testimonial section above the pricing. 3. The back-end handshake. Click the Supabase integration button. It automatically creates your database tables so your sign-up buttons actually work. 4. Ship it. Hit deploy. It pushes the code to GitHub and hosts it live. The price. Free daily credits available. Pro is $25 per month for roughly 100 total credits. If you care about design and ownership, this is the best value on the list. You get agency-level quality for a fraction of the cost. Two, Bolt.new, the instant prototype speedster. This is the fastest prompt-to-app tool in existence. It runs entirely in your browser using web containers, meaning there is zero setup. It's perfect for the I have an idea right now moment. The mechanism. In-browser execution. Traditional coding requires downloading tools to your laptop. Bolt's mechanism runs the entire development environment inside your Chrome tab. It scaffolds the front end and back end simultaneously, allowing you to see changes in real time as you type new instructions. How to use it? 1. The lightning prompt. Open the site and type, create a calorie tracking app that integrates with a food database API. 2. Real-time iteration. You'll see the code streaming on the left and a live preview on the right. If you hate the layout, just type, add a dark mode toggle and make the charts interactive. And watch it rewrite the logic in seconds. 3. The one-click deploy. Once it's perfect, click the Deploy to Netlify button. There's no terminal, no Git commands, and no headache. The price. Great free tier, 1 million tokens per month. Pro is $25 per month for 10 million tokens. It's a steal. For the price of a few coffees, you can prototype 5 different startup ideas in a single weekend. Note, all links to the tools are linked in the description if you want to check them out. 3. Softer plus AI, the business ops specialist. If your app is actually just a way to manage data, like a CRM, a client portal, or an internal dashboard, Softer is the king. It is Lego blocks powered by AI. The mechanism, block-based generation. Instead of generating raw code, Softer's AI selects pre-built, secure blocks, like a login screen, a searchable list, or a payment form, and assembles them based on your prompt. It then maps these blocks directly to your Google Sheets or Airtable. How to use it? 1. Data first. Point it to your Airtable or Google Sheet where you keep your student records or inventory. 2. The AI Builder. Tell Softer. Build a student portal where users can log in, see their IELTS scores, and download PDFs. 3. The Logic Check. The AI will automatically create the login page, the dashboard, and the profile page. You just drag and drop blocks to change the layout. 4. Permissions. Set the user visibility so student A can't see student B's grades. This takes 2 clicks, whereas in code, it takes 2 days. The price. There's a solid free plan for 10 users. Paid plans start at $49 per month. For non-coders running a business, 100% yes. It's the safest, most stable way to build professional tools without worrying about code breaking. 4. Replit Agent, the full-stack architect. It doesn't just write code, it acts as a project manager. Most beginners fail because they don't know how to set up a server or a database. Replit Agent does all the scary back-end work for you. The mechanism: autonomous environment orchestration. The agent doesn't just give you a code snippet, it literally walks into a virtual computer, installs the necessary software, sets up the database, and configures the hosting. It thinks before it codes, outlining a plan for you to approve. How to use it. 1. The architect meeting. Tell the agent, build me a marketplace for skincare products in the US. 2. The plan. Unlike the others, the agent will reply with a step-by-step plan. It will say, first, I'll set up a PostgreSQL database. Second, I'll build the Stripe payment integration. You hit approve. 3. Watch the magic. You'll see a terminal window open. The AI will start typing commands like npm install express. If a library is missing, it sees the error, apologizes, and fixes it automatically. 4. The handoff. It gives you a live URL. If you want to change something later, you don't even have to find the file. Just tell the agent, add a 10% discount code for first-time buyers, and it will go back into the code and update the logic. The price. Free trial included. Core plan is $20 to $25 per month. Includes $25 of usage credits. Is it worth it? This is the ultimate non-coder cheat code. It is the only tool on this list that truly feels like having a human employee. If you want to build a real, complex app, this is where you spend your money. Stop waiting for a technical co-founder. They aren't coming, and in 2026, you don't need them anyway. The gap between idea and execution has officially hit 0. You have the design power of Lovable, the speed of Bolt, the stability of Softer, and the autonomous brains of Replit Agent. The no-code era is dead. We are vibe coding now. You can either spend tonight dreaming about your app, or you can spend 10 minutes prompting it into existence. Pick a tool, start building, and stop making excuses. Subscribe if you're ready to actually own your future. I'll see you in the next one.